Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in Rajouri district of Jammu region today. The troops cordoned off Muradpur area of the district and launched searches. The operation continued till last reports came in. All parties Hurriyat conference leader Mir Mohammad Iqbal has paid glowing tributes to the noted liberation leader and founding member of Jammu and Kashmir, Mahaze-Azadi Sufi Muhammad Akbar, on his 35th death anniversary. Mir Mohammad Iqbal, in a statement in Srinagar, said that Sufi Akbar was a selfless leader who remained committed to the freedom movement till his death. The president of occupied Kashmir chapter of Indian National Congress, Waqar Rasool Wani, has said that Ghulam Nabi Azad is dancing to the tunes of his masters in the BJP and RSS. He said Azad has been making fraud statements on the directions of BJP as he has been tasked to defame Congress party in the occupied territory. Residents of Shivpura area of Srinagar held a protest demonstration against Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's move to promote consumption of liquor in the Muslim majority territory. The residents of the Shivpura took to the streets and protested against the opening of a liquor shop near a school in locality. They demanded the closure of the liquor shop at the earliest. A 3-day International Kashmir Congress organized by Legal Forum for Kashmir and Center for Economic and Social Research was held at Ankara, Turkey. The theme of the Congress was a narrative of occupation and scope of international law, a preview of the occupied Kashmir. Advocate Nasir Qadri, main organizer, said, with abrogation of autonomous character of occupied Kashmir on 5th August 2019, the India's relationship with the disputed region has been transitioned into fully settler colonial state. A top US official has slammed the Biden administration for failing to formally designate India as one of the world's most religious freedom offenders over the country's appalling record of violations against religious minorities. The US Commission on International Religious Freedom Commissioner David Curry, during a briefing, said that the US State Department's decision to exclude India from its gallery of global religious freedom offenders was a bald-faced political exercise and shameful.